Welcome to ABC Winter Wonderland with Luno and Tria. Let's explore cozy winter words from A to Z.
A is for aurora. Aurora lights glow beautifully in the sky. B is for boots. Boots keep our feet warm in the snow. C is for cabin. Cabins are cozy winter homes. D is for deer. Deer walk quietly in the snow. Hi, deer. Hello.
E is for evergreen. Evergreen trees stay green in winter.
F is for fireplace. Fireplaces keep us warm.
It's so warm. I love the fire.
G is for gloves. Gloves keep our hands warm.
H is for hot cocoa. Hot cocoa tastes warm and sweet. Icicles for ice from frozen water.
J is for jacket. Jackets keep us cozy. K is for knit scarf. Scarves keep our necks warm.
L is for lantern. Lanterns light the way.
M is for mittens. Mittens keep fingers warm. N is for night sky. Stars shine brightly at night.
O is for ornament. Ornaments decorate trees.
P is for pine tree. Pine trees grow tall and strong.
Q is for quilt. Quilts keep us warm and comfy. U is for uplift. Lifting brings smiles.
S is for snowflake. Snowflakes fall softly from the sky.
R is for reindeer. Reindeer walk in snowy lands.
T is for toboggan. Toboggans slide on snow.
Yay, let's go! Woo!
V is for village. Villages shine with cozy lights. W is for wool hat. Wool hats keep heads warm.
X is for Xmas lights.
Lights sparkle beautifully. So magical.
Y is for Yule log. Z is for zipper. Zippers close our warm coats.
Thanks for exploring ABC Winter Wonderland with Luno and Tria. Subscribe, like, and share for more ABC adventures.